June for me is an important month. It isn't just a month of reflection. It's also a month where we should all sit back and understand that it is a month of kindness. You will see the new signature come out soon, which has the Pride Month colors in it. And for me, there's no month that sort of shows off our values in a bigger way. Pride Month is about a specific community, sure, but there is a bigger message there for every single one of us. And that is, we all want a safe place where we feel loved and appreciated. Every single one of us, even if you try and put up a hard exterior and pretend you don't, want some kindness in our life. Kindness goes an extremely long way. And the more we can give, the better the world will be, but more importantly, the better we will feel. Kindness is that gift that continues to give because it makes everybody's life a little bit better. We've just spoken about these great awards that we've been given, and honestly, they feel great. But what is more important to me is that Protea is a place where people feel valued, people feel safe, and people want to stay. I want to create a place where every single person feels respected and comfortable being themselves. And I know what that is. I am a difficult person. I am who I am. I've learned to live with that. I know that if I surround myself with good people that will appreciate me, I will be happy and I will feel good about myself. Not in a way like tap myself on the back, but a place where I can just be comfortable being myself. And that's the environment we try to keep at Protea. Little things we do on a daily basis to try and make people feel like, hey, this is part of their home. This is a part of their day. I want to remind you that kindness isn't a weakness. Kindness is not being soft. Kindness is a superpower. Kindness is treating each other with empathy, listening without judgment, offering support when needed the most. It's showing up every day with the intention of being a little bit better to ourselves and the people around us. I believe the value of kindness has created an environment and culture of mutual respect, honesty, and most importantly, genuine care for each other. So Pride Month might feel like it's just a celebration of one community. And I agree. That one community is humankind. And if I can ask you anything, even if it's just for June, show up daily with kindness, make this place a better place to be, make your world a better place to be. It will bring you happiness and it will bring happiness to those around you.